Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to match equivalent expression. And so, for here, my main objective now would then be to focus on this right hand side of the expression. And guess what? Yep, we are going to expand out neatly. This one will be equals to -5. Multiply -5 times positive 3ay negative 15ay. This will give me negative 30y. Let's continue. This will give me negative 2mx. After I multiply, negative 2 times positive 3, negative 6 my. This one will be positive 12a. After I multiply them, negative 6b, positive 3 times positive c, positive 3c. This will be 6s. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 6, yep, positive 36 SB or BS, doesn't matter. This will give me 8a, and after I multiply, positive 12b, and the last expression, 3a times 2x, 6ax, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times negative 5 is negative 15, a and y. After that, now it's simply to compare. And we can then start to compare a plus 12b, and I gotten my answer. Alright, so this one will be, yep. And let's continue. 6ax and negative 15 ay, it will be this expression. Negative 2mx, then negative 6 my, it will be this expression. 12a minus 6b plus 3c, 12a minus 6b plus 3c, it will be this expression. (6a) plus 36bs, 36bs and 36sb is the same. They are equivalent. And so we will have this, and the last -5, negative 15ay, negative 30y, -5, negative 15ay, negative 30y. That will be this expression here. And from this activity, right, you can actually see that factorization, we are essentially taking out the common factor. And this is actually a process of writing an algebraic expression. The key word now is a product of its factors. That's why the word factor is there. Example, ax plus ay. The common factor is taken out, and we left with the bracket inside x plus y, and this x plus y and this letter a, they are both factors of the expression ax plus ay, because a times the whole bracket so the whole bracket x plus y is a factor by itself. Okay, and that concludes this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.